Cytogen. Dr. Sarah Jernigan, BS.DC, designed this formula to help the body heal from viruses, bacteria, and molds, but it is also designed to help with energy, increase cognitive functions, increase libido, stabilize blood pressure, and balance blood sugar levels. One of her favorite parts about Cytogen, though, is that it helps the body get rid of biofilms. Please enjoy exploring the vast array of Cytogen's multi-purposeful ingredients. Maclura pomifera. Many degenerative health problems are amplified by oxidative stress, metabolic stress induced by diet and environmental toxins. Dietary antioxidants offer a great deal of promise for decreasing oxidative stress in the body and supporting overall health. The Osage tree contains high levels of isoflavones, a type of antioxidant similar to vitamin C and E. Dr. Edward Group, founder of Global Healing Center. Salix Alba. According to Dr. Joseph Mercola, Salix Alba is, quote, the most potent longevity-extending pharmacological intervention ever described in scientific literature. A recent study with liver cells found that both aspirin and salicylic acid by itself increase the total concentration of mitochondria by 2 or 3 times, end quote. It's an analgesic, antipyretic, and anti-inflammatory. Humic biomass. Humic acid transports nutrients right into the cells, as it makes cell membranes more permeable, therefore allowing nutrients to more easily enter the cell, as well as allowing waste to leave the cell. Humic acid increases absorption of oxygen and decreases acidity, and is the most powerful natural free radical scavenger and antioxidant known to science at this time. Humic acid has the ability to remove toxic heavy metals and other pollutants from the system. Panax ginseng. Ginseng has been shown to help reduce inflammatory markers and help protect against oxidative stress. Moreover, studies showed that ginseng extracts help by providing antioxidant protection that reduces free radicals in the cells of those with diabetes. In addition, it's been shown to improve pancreatic cell function, boost insulin production, and enhance the uptake of blood sugar in tissues. Silphium laciniatum. Silphium has been shown through clinical research to be possibly the greatest anti-neurotoxin substance found to date. Silphium may also bind heavy metals and break down isopropyl alcohol and benzene accumulations. It helps the body deal with the accumulation of ammonia as well. Silphium is recommended to limit Herxheimer reactions during any type of antibiotic or antimicrobial treatments. Beetroot. Researchers found that people who drank 8 ounces of beetroot juice daily lowered both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Nitrates, compounds in beetroot juice that convert into nitric acid in the blood and help widen and relax blood vessels, are thought to be the cause. Medically reviewed by Natalie Butler, RDLD, on November 11, 2016. Written by Annette McDermott. Stevia. Research has shown that the combination of these antibiotic drugs, doxy, cefoperazone, and daptomycin, were effective against the different morphological forms of Borrelia burgdorferi. In this study, Stevia A, as an individual agent, was capable of eliminating the spirochetes and the persisters of Borrelia, similar to the reported 3-drug combination treatment. Cascuda. This hand-harvested herb is a little-known hero. Animal studies have shown that its polysaccharide content can also delay aging and protect the brain tissue. It's shown positive effects on reproductive health and osteoporosis. Experimental studies have found that it has the ability to inhibit certain cancer cells and has antioxidant action as well.